In the next step, select which section you want to be on the bottom, the lower section, and you'll flip it over so that the magnets are facing down. And then there will be a cross member that has snap tees on both ends. And generally, I'd recommend that you put them about the middle, like that. And you can bend this bottom tube out a little bit, snap it into place. Once you've done that, you can flip it over. You have a lower cushion. You can then put it on the bottom like that. And then for the neck support pieces, they have these side saddle fittings. You pop into place. I generally recommend putting them right up against the three-way elbow, like that. Now these are adjustable, so if you need the necks to be forward, you just push this forward to whatever setting you want it. And at this stage, before we put the enclosure on, you might want to mark, put a little mark on here so you know where to go back to afterwards. But we're setting this up initially without the enclosure so we can find out exactly how we want the position of the neck cushions and the body cushion